Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You already have a basic HTML file. Now add a semantic nav containing a UL and list items with anchor tags so the browser understands navigation. Once done, link your style sheet in the head and include a simple reset or normalize to avoid browser quirks. Make sure each anchor has an href, even if it's hash for now, so focus and keyboard navigation work. This immediately provides structure and accessibility before you style anything visually. You'll convert that list into a usable bar by applying CSS. Set the UL to display, flex to align items horizontally, and use gap for spacing. Then style anchors with padding, color, and clear hover and focus states so keyboard users see focus rings. Once done, constrain the nav with max width and center it for layout consistency, and add a media query that stacks the menu at small widths. These steps make the nav resilient and visually consistent across viewports. Finish by marking the current page with an active class and add area current or area expanded where appropriate so assistive tech understands the state. If you need a collapsible mobile menu, wire a toggle button that adds a class to show or hide the menu. Keep transitions smooth for clarity. Finally, test keyboard navigation, color contrast, and touch target sizes. If things go wrong, check the browser console for JS errors and confirm your selectors match the HTML to quickly find broken styles or scripts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.